40 seconds.
So now you have a 40-second to answer. So, here we go. Start with our judge. Please pick Sir BJ. Good luck, bebe, ha? Congratulations. Pasok ka sa top 10. Okay, so good luck and congratulations ulit.
Hi. How are you?
I'm very well.
First of all, congratulations to be in top 10. I'm so proud of you today. You are one of my favorites. You know that, right? Okay. Now, there's this question. The question says, how do you balance your personal and professional life? I'll repeat the question again for you. How do you manage your personal and your professional life? Thank you.
I think the essence of balancing my life is to learn how to time manage my time. I am a student, I am learning. I am a student learning in Pasco University, and I think that as a student I should learn how to time manage because I have deadlines to follow. And I also want to balance my life as a student, my life as a daughter, my life as a sister, my life as a person. And I
Technically one thing. She's just 16 years old. Very, very young. 16 years old. And very well answered.
Thank you so much, Judge Sir BJ. Ayan o, our CEO of Juice TVSM. Ayan, thank you so much, Miss Aliyah. Ayan, oo. 21st point system. Wow, perfect. Ganda. Huwag kang kakabahan. Gigil ako dyan. Wala ako dyan. Okay, so good luck. 40 seconds. Galingan mo. Miss Elaine. Elaine. Yeah. Ano kasi, madam? Sige, gamitin mo yung mic.
Ano ulit?
Elaine. Elaine? Lane? Alain? Lenlen? Hindi. The one and only, Miss
Elodie.
Iyon Eleni. Sabi ko sa'yo, Eleni.
And from where?
Philippines. Yeah. Ayan. From? Yes. Yes.
Now, let me take this opportunity.
Okay,
to
go,
promote,
madam.
I'm from the Filipino Social Club.
Yes, from Social Club.
Yes, from Filipino Social Club. We have a community event on June 28 for the Philippine Independence. June 8 at World Trade Center.
Yes, o, diba? Oh, actually, abangan niyo po ako sa June 8. Madam, sa June 8, magkakasama tayo.
Correct. So,
Maraming salamat. At syempre, mamaya, meron akong ibibigay sa iyong sponsor. I love you. At syempre, so good luck, ladies and gentlemen. Madam Elaine, good
Hi,
luck.
Sheila.
40 seconds.
Sheila, congratulations for being in the top 10.
thank you so much.
This is your question. How would you use your platform to promote awareness about the importance of mental well-being? I'll repeat the question. How would you use your platform to promote awareness about the importance of mental well-being?
Thank you so much for your question. I will use my platform to influence everyone. To think into positivity instead of looking for negativity, so that everyone will so everyone
Don't cheer, guys. It's fine. Nagkakabahan mo.
so everyone can be motivated to conquer every situation that they will face, and that will be all. Thank you.
Yes, maraming salamat.
6 seconds extra.
Yeah, may 6 seconds extra. So ulitin ko, 40 seconds lang tayo dapat masagot ng malupit. Okay? So good luck. Again, tawagin naman natin our next, please. Miss Rapa.
To all the young women, I would address cyberbullying through the updated digital technology, which is social media.
what I could say about it is I have experienced it. And what I could suggest to that is that to face it and to turn their criticisms to be brave and confident among all, and to have the strength to fight them all and to face it with all confidence. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Uulitin ko po, wala pong sisigaw. Dahil nakasalalay po ang gabing ito. Wow. Perfect. Alam mo, friend? So, syempre, tawagin natin our judge for your question.
Si Marlisa.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Miss Yvonne, our Miss Beauty Queen. Good luck, 40 seconds.
Si Marlisa.
Hello there. Congratulations. You are now one step closer to the crown. So, congratulations in advance. And your question goes like this. How do you plan to leave a lasting legacy and inspire future generations as a title holder? May I repeat? How do you plan to leave a lasting legacy and inspire future generations as a title holder?
Inspiring future generation as a title holder, you need to have your own dedication, resilient, and you need to be motivated and bring out the best in you and show it to all the people and to young generations that you can do it, you have everything in your heart, and just push it to your end. And that's all. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Maraming salamat. Wow. Pakasimple pero talagang tagus. So now, so good luck. 40 seconds. Okay?
Hi, Ms. Rachel. Again, congratulations for this part. Your question is, share a personal story of a time when you had to overcome self-doubt or insecurity. Again, share a personal story of a time when you had to overcome self-doubt or insecurity.
Thank you for that wonderful question. I believe, ladies and gentlemen, everyone is own uniqueness. But for me, I do always believe in myself. I do always do it myself. I know myself that I can do it. So every time that I feel that one, I always believe in myself only. Because believing in ourselves is the way to progress, to achieve our dream and goal in life. And I thank you.
Thank you so much, candidate number 5. And now, ladies and gentlemen, please welcome on stage our candidate number 6, Miss Christina. Wow! Ito talaga yung masarap.
Number 18.
Hello, Sir Aaron.
Christina. So, this is your question. What qualities do you think are essential for our role model to possess? Once again, what qualities do you think are essential for our role model to possess?
A quality that is essential to be a role model is to be with yourself, be humble, and be confident whatever it is in your life. In order for that, you can advocate and empower other women out there to become out from their comfort zone. Don't shy, be yourself, and be confident with your personality, with pride and hope for everybody. Thank you so much. And once again, this is Christina Mirda Sabanal, your candidate number 18.
Our number candidate is number 7. Hi. Ganda. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the one and only, the representative of Sir Joel Lara, Miss Pina Bonabi. Come on. Charot. Kasi wala nakalagay yung pangalan mo dito, friend. Ay, Hensi. Oh. Renzi Cornejo, please. Come on, go. Mike, please, pakibigay. Maraming salamat po. Peace. Ladies and gentlemen, Judge Renzi. Good luck, 40 seconds.
Carlo.
Congratulations in advance. Okay, I will repeat the questions. Okay? So, how do you define beauty, and why do you believe it is important every in today's society? How do you define a beauty, and why do you believe it is important in today's society?
We all know that when we heard the word beauty, it comes to our mind that beauty comes from a physical appearance, from a beautiful faces, and with a perfect body. But what I believe is, true beauty is where you wear your confidence, your own smile, and where you wear your uniqueness here on the stage. And I believe that true beauty is in the eye of the beholder. And I thank you.
Thank you so much. And also, Judge Ramsey, maraming salamat po. I love you, girl. May dumi siyang friend. Okay. Please, Miss Sarah. 40 seconds.
Hi, Maribek. How are you? Good, thank you. You're so beautiful today. Thank you so much. Here is our question. I will repeat this twice, so listen carefully, okay? How do you plan to use this platform to make a positive impact in your community? Again, how do you plan to use this platform to make a positive impact in your community?
Thank you for that gorgeous, beautiful question. If I given a chance to win in this pageant, in Winter Night Market Queen, I use this platform to my community to encourage every woman to believe in yourself, because I do believe every woman is powerful in every single in our lives. I use this to raise my voice that every woman get out and speak and use your voice, that we are women and we are powerful. Thank you.
Wow, iba yung powerful talaga. Good luck. Sir Suhi, 40 seconds.
Si Marlisa, hindi na kasi mahal. Oo, yung matagal. Tapos, yung bata yun.
Well, before I ask you a question, I want to congratulate all top 10 for being here on Winter Night Market. And when we start these celebrations, when we start this pageant, we were not expecting this much good response. Again, listen carefully. There are two parts. How do you define empowerment? How would you empower others in your community?
Hi again, good evening ladies and gentlemen. I believe empowerment means being able to influence other people, but not in a negative way. It should be always in a positive way. And how can I influence other people? Definitely, number one, since social media is relevant nowadays, I will use social media to be able to spread, encourage, and also give the words of wisdom, and also always trying to be the best in everything. And that will be all. Thank you so much.
Galing. Maraming salamat sa iyo.
Hello, artists. By the way, congratulations. Okay, congratulations for all of you. And I want to take this opportunity for thanks for all the queens that joined here to Queen of Winter Night. Okay, all of you queens are already done. Congratulations. So, by the way, this is my question. Do you believe contestants should be coached for pageants, and why? Again, I will repeat my question. Do you believe contestants should be coached for pageants, and why?
Yes, for me, either you like it or not, you can coach someone. Especially when you are the first timer, and if you are chosen to be the queen of Winter Night Market, you can share everything what you had from the sacrifice, hard works, or successful things you have done. And be sure to yourself that you need to be back and basic where you came from, and that's because queen. Because queen don't compete, they conquer. Thank you.
qualify.
Yes, madam.
Congratulations, you make it until here.
Thank you so much, madam.
So my question for you is,
Thank you so much, madam.
how do you overcome your fear and why?
Sorry?
How do you overcome your fear and why?
Translator. I need translator. Okay, translator. Translate.
Paano mo nalalampasan ang mga pagsubok and bakit?
Chinese. Translate in Chinese because I'm a Chinese.
Okay, we don't have time, so let's proceed.
Thank you so much. That's all. And I thank you. And now, ladies and gentlemen, may manghaharana sa inyo ngayong gabi.